Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'll be telling you how to get good at Mortem metallum. So the
What?
first thing you want to do to destroy this noob is to be like NLYCN.
No,
Be
no, 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 no.
NLYCN. Buy his merch, buy his top hat. Even though I don't got his top hat, I'm broke. So first thing you want to do is just iframe this noob right here. This noob is a newbie, and this noob cannot iframe at all. This newbie rushes a lot, and you can easily beat him in a 1v1 10 to easily. All right, see you see how you see his movement. Don't pay attention to the movement. Just pay attention to the weapon. Yeah, just iframe that. Okay, that's what you got to do to get good at this game. See how just iframe that again. You gotta get good at
Oh
the game. See
fuck.
how just iframe that. Yeah, you gotta get good at the game. Hold up.
No.
So yeah, you gotta be good at the game. You gotta be good at the game. Mobile is the best advantage you could ever use.
Oh my gosh! What the fuck is this? Bro, I'm going.
What?
So yeah, I'm beating this noob right now. He's currently so fat. See this noob. Okay, he's low. So first thing, when you're a one hit, do not rush. Wait for him to rush. Be passive. Be really passive. Be super passive. See, I'm low. I'm low. Now, first thing, be passive. Do random things. Wait for him to rush. Then that's your chance to be able to hit him. See, you know what I would do? I would just S key. Just S key. Because S keying is the best in situations when you're low. Like, for example, look at this. Dang! Dang!